Hello everyone, welcome to Khan's Tech Lab. As we are working on Docker series and we have already covered a few sessions, and the last session was how to use kill and execute commands of Docker container. Now in this video we will learn about another command which is Docker System Prune. So before that we need to understand a few things. One of them is the types of the images. So there will be three types of images: used images, unused images, and dangling images. For example, if I can show you in my command prompt, if I run Docker images, it will give me a list of images, and I have only one image in my local machine. Now, is this image used or not? Of course, this image is used in a container. I have created a container called MySQL container, and I have used this image to create this container. What if I want to remove this MySQL image? Let us try that. Docker RMI and MySQL, or we can give just the image ID. Let me copy this and paste it and run it. As you can see, I am not able to delete it because it is saying image is being used by running container, and also it is giving the ID of the container. So now we learned what is the used image. Second one, unused image. Suppose we have any other image. Let me try to pull an image from Docker Hub. Let me go to Docker Hub and suppose I want to use the previously pushed MySQL image from my personal repository, and let me try to pull this image. The command would be, I will just copy this, copy, and Docker pull paste MySQL. The repository and its tag. The Here is the repository and this is the MySQL tag. So now we have downloaded a new image. Let me try to list them Docker images. As you can see, we have now two images. Let me try to remove this image to know if it is used or not. Docker. Before that, I will clean this page. Docker RMI, or first let me list them. Then Docker RMI, or just I will give the image ID. That's all. Untagged and deleted. Now again Docker images. uh, It is gone. It got deleted. As you can see here, why it got deleted? Because it was unused. No container was created with that image. So we have saw the unused command, unused contain image now. Used, unused, we have learned. Now we will see what is the dangling image or dangling container. So if we have an image and we have run it as a new container, and if we have created one more build of that container without any other name, so the previous image will get remained as a dangling image. We will learn more about it in the upcoming videos. Now, what this Docker System Prune will do. So, let me go to the official Docker page. Docker System Prune. There is a description here. It will remove all unused containers, networks, images, both dangling and unused, and optionally volumes. So now let me show you how many containers we have. Docker ps. There is only one running container. Suppose if I want to see all the image containers, there are actually three containers. One is running, two are not running. So I want to clean all of these containers. I can just use Docker System Prune. This will clean all these dangling containers or unused containers. MySQL container 2 and MySQL container 3. Also, if I want to delete based on some timestamps, for example, so I want to clean up to last 1 hour. I can clean it. And if I want to clean all up to 1 minute, before last 1 minute, I can clean it. And the flag is hyphen hyphen filter I have to give. So for example, here is an example command. As you can see here, if I can copy that, until 1 hour we can remove. Similarly, if I give before that, let me do the Docker PS again to check the real time timestamps. 18 minutes ago and 20 minutes ago. Suppose I want to clean only up to 20 minutes ago, means only this container will get deleted. Let me try that. 20 minutes. So it will ask all stopped containers, all networks, all images, all build cache, everything will be removed. Are you sure? So if we give yes, it will delete, otherwise no. Now let me try to do the Docker PS again. As you can see, Docker container 3 was in dangling mode before 20 minutes, so it got deleted based on our filter. If we don't give that filter directly, also we can give. We only have one container which is unused, but it will also get deleted. And suppose if we don't, last time we saw it was asking for a warning that this will remove all these things. Are you sure or you want to continue or not? If you don't want this warning also, then you have to just use hyphen f. Hyphen f. Without any warning, it got removed. Now let me do the Docker hyphen a. Only one container. Whether it is running or not, it is only one container in our machine. So we have learned this Docker system prune command. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.